Well, what we're going to do is, again, we're waiting for this one to cure. This is our big Mount Everest.
Big one.
But behind us, we have our little one. Go ahead and hit it, Samuel. There you go.
Oh, look at that.
So what I did is I've already done the transparencies, and these are our smaller mountains that I've already cured. So they're foot
the whole
high.
Mountain range.
It is. It's going to look awesome.
Wow.
So what he's doing, he's blowing it up to 4 foot. They're going to trace it out with a Sharpie marker. We're going to cut it with the heart knife, and that's going to be our first mountain.
Wow, perfect.
I'm ready to go hiking.
You can move your projector closer or farther from your foam to make your mountains bigger or smaller to fit your space. It also helps to turn off the lights so you can see your projected image better. And don't forget to tape your transparency down so it doesn't move. Look at our massive mountain. Make yours bigger or smaller to fit your church. Make sure you have some help lifting it up. You don't want it to bend or break as you move it around. You're moving mountains, you know. Make sure you save any extra pieces you cut off. They could easily be an extra rock or mountain. Nothing goes to waste around here.
All right, our volunteers here did an awesome job. This is just corrugated green paper in a big roll. And what I did is I sketched out some green palm fronds so we have this, island look and feel. But, could this be okay? If we put a little foam behind it, make it stand up and we layer it, it would be even good, right? But here's how we're going to make it even better.
Now we're going to make some palm trees. We used pipe and drape stands and covered them with carpet tubes. Tape brown craft paper sleeves around the tubes and then scrunch down the paper to create texture for your trunks. We used the same technique on our larger palm tree leaves that we used for our ground greenery.
So as we're doing this, what you want to do is just take and come straight off, not on an angle.
Oh, okay.
So just straight off.
Bruce, where are you?
Oh, there you are.
Bruce.
You know what we have to do? We've got to make these little paper things stand up. So this is what we're going to do, is we're just going to take our hot knife and we're just going to cut a curve. And it doesn't matter what it looks like or how big the curve is. Have you seen the shipwrecked island? Hey guys, isn't this looking awesome, this palm tree? Look at this. This is the green corrugated cardboard, again, that we took a tool and we just made the lines inside of our palm leaf. But you're gonna ask, well, how did you get it up? Good question. What we used is just a heavy duty wire that we cut with wire cutters, and we placed it with some duct tape just to get it in place. Then we just ran a whole strip of duct tape down the center of our leaf and then just slightly bent the end. Once you have that, we're using our pipe and drape with our cardboard tubes around it, and what we're going to do is we're going to fill all this up. Once you get it all filled up, then you can go ahead and bend your leaves, but don't start bending your leaves till you get it all filled up, and we got one awesome looking palm tree.
It's time to start on some fun foliage.
And this is out of the cardboard boxes, but what I had them do is we laid this out right on the crease here. And what we're doing is we're going to be layering it, so when we paint these, it's going to look like this beautiful green, lush jungle.
All the grass was freehand, and you can make it look as weird and wonderful as you want. Have fun! Well, you don't have to worry about matching our paint colors or brand exactly. Be creative! Make sure to use flat latex paint because it dries faster and covers more evenly. You can find paint colors, supplies, and instructions online at group.com/VBS Tools. Click on Decorating. we're adding swirls and shading to our greenery. To make it stand up, we're hot gluing it to boxes. To add more depth to our foliage, we're gluing an extra layer of leaves separated by some scrap foam. We're going to start the day making some colorful, wonderful, wacky, wild, and weird flowers. These are easy to make out of recycled cardboard, foam, and plastic water trays. You can find the pattern for the flower petals online. Make sure you cut out 4 petals for each flower. You can make the flowers any size to fit your space. Bruce is going to tell us how to put it all together.
So what we've done is we've glued our flowers together, flower petals together. I've cut the 2-inch foam in round discs that match the bottom of our water tray. And then what we do is you just take it and I kind of just push it on and then I kind of just twist a little bit. Get that foam all over the place. Then I'll just take a gallon can, put it on top, walk away for about 20 minutes. You're gonna come back, you're ready to start painting your flower.
We're starting on these fun, glowy lanterns. These are simple to make out of recycled plastic bottles, string lights, and an adhesive decorative wrap that you can purchase on group.com or from your VBS supplier. First, you'll want to cut off all the bottle tops. Next, Bruce is showing us how to drill holes in the bottom of the plastic bottles.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we've taken a paddle bit. Then what we did is we went and we gathered up some different Christmas lights. And you can use icicle lights and other Christmas lights, whatever you have laying around. But these, what we're gonna do is unscrew the bulb, put it through the bottom of our bottle. And what we're gonna do is just screw it back in.
When I visited Thailand, you could find these cylindrical lanterns everywhere. They really add color and vibrance to your set, and anyone can help make them.